All right, in this video, I'm going to be going over rational square roots. Okay, I'm going to start off with the product property of square roots. So the product property of square roots. Product, that means it is a multiplication problem. So let's say we have, or product, I'm sorry, is the answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, so in this case, I have A times B, so multiplying. But I want to find the square root of A times B. Now this is, the A and B can be separated, and that equals the square root of A times the square root of B. Okay, so for example, if I have like the square root of 4 times 9, okay, so that also equals the square root of 4 times the square root of 9, okay, and that can be simplified because the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 9 is 3, okay, 2 times 3 equals 6, okay, so that was it. That was an easy one. Okay, I'm going to move on to a different property. Now that was the product property of square roots. This one I'm going to go over the quotient property of square roots. So if I have like A divided by B and I want to find the square root of that, so the square root of A over B, okay, you're still kind of separating the two, so it, that becomes the square root of A over the square root of B. Okay, so let me give you an example. Here we go. Square root of 36 over 4, okay, that also equals the square root of 36 divided by or over the square root of 4, okay. A square root of 36 is 6, square root of 4 is 2, okay, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. I guess you can't see that, so here we go, equals 3. Another way you can solve that is 36, excuse me, divided by 4 is 9. So it's like the square root of 9 is in fact 3. Okay. All right. Now, we'll move on to something a little bit more challenging. Okay, here we go. Let's say we want to find the square root of 1,764. Okay, that is 1,764 can also be factored like this. It equals 4 times